everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We all know we can get great benefit by investing in crypto, and the only thing is to be aware of creating profitable projects. So I'm here to make it easy for you to decide where and how to invest. We all know we talk about new projects, new token in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video we'll be talking about a new platform. You can say that this is the safest and best platform on Sol blockchain. So let's begin and move to our website to know more about the project. But before we proceed, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. So in this video, we'll be talking about Richie Rich token. If you are a crypto investor looking for a best platform on Sol blockchain, this is for you. You can say that this is the safest and best platform. If you want to get rich, you should definitely go for Richie Rich token. Only Richie's design make you rich. So first of all, here we are to the website of the project. You can simply buy Richie from here. All you have to do to connect your wallet, pay in Sol, and then you're going to get your Richie token. But first you must be able to know more about the project. Here we have the official contract address of Richie. You can simply copy this address and paste it in your wallet and simply buy the Richie token. Richie token is a Sol-based token at the heart of Richie Machine, a staking platform that pays daily rewards in Sol, designed with fairness in mind. It launched with no team token, equal pre-sale access, and a mission to give power back to community. So the best thing of Richie token that is equal pre-sale access. It is launched with no team token. You can join the community here. We have option to join the community. So you should definitely join the community to stay in touch with their team and other members of the project. Then here we have details of tokenomics. Richie launched with 100 million token, no team allocation. The supply is split between pre-sale buyers and DEX liquidity, ensuring fairness and transparency. So we can see the token name and the total supply is mentioned here. Then here we have Richie token utility and delegation strategy. They buy miners with Richie logged at $1 million market cap valuation. Use Richie to buy miners to a fixed $1 million MC valuation. Anchors value and boosts early participation. Then automatic burns built to reward long-term holders, etc. Rewards early believers as project grows. Then here we have roadmap of Richie, that what they are going to do in their future and what they have planned for their future. So in the first phase they have foundation, they create social channels, websites, goes live. In the phase 2 they will launch preparation, white paper release, and DEX screener launch, etc. In phase 3 they begin marketing to grow the community, target CX listing top 8 exchanges. So this is how they have planned Richie. Then here we have some details of their white paper and mining store. So here we are redirected to their white paper, so you can check the recent details, details of Richie on white paper. Richie token is a share of Richie Machine and Richie reward platform. It is Sol-based token with 1% buy and sell tax. Here we have details of Richie tokenomics. While most meme coins are sniped by the team or sniper bots within the first seconds of fair launch, but the Richie is different this time. The team will not have any team tokens. The total supply will be split into two parts. One part will be allocated for pre-sale buyers and the other part will be participants. Then here we have their CX listing as well, so you can read this. Then we have Richie Machine, market cap which is $2.0000. The fixed percentage will be 2% daily, and when market cap will be reached $20.000, the fixed percentage will be 3% daily, and when the market cap will be 200%, the fixed percentage will be 4%. Here we have launch price which is $0.0002, and the total supply is mentioned here. The initial market cap which is $66.000. Every time the market cap increases, the stake revenue will increase plus 1%. 10% tax will be applied when withdrawing from the stake. The minimum amount for stake will be 25 Richie tokens. In here, how does machine work, how to maintain a 1% daily paid in Sol. So they have two main sources of income. Level 1 for Richie TVL DeFi strategy with Ethereum, USDT, BNB, etc. And in second, you can earn by Richie token. To cover the impairment loss and be able to always have balance to honor withdrawal. The first source of rewards will come from the buy and sell tax, which will be 10% tax. Then Richie Machine rewards. Additionally, the Richie machine will be an advanced platform where users can see how much total rewards they have earned, and it will be have button for withdrawal, restaking and token profits. So there is a 30 days lock period like with normal staking, and there is no tax on taking profits on a deposit retakes, but there is 10% tax on withdrawals. Here we have Richie reward platform. This will be only done if the community demand this second utility once the project is stabilized. Then here we have Richie total supply that we have already discussed, which is 100 million token, which is a lower supply than 95% of meme coins, most of which have 1 billion or 99.9 million supply. The low supply will have help Richie reach big price targets. Then we have roadmap that we have already discussed on website here. Okay, so here we have the main character on website. So you can see the main character, which is Richie, our character. And then they are going to tell that who they are. They created Richie Rich with zero team token, no insider deal and fair pre-sale pricing. This project is built on transparency, community first values and real utility. And here we have social channel. You can simply follow them on Twitter, Telegram to be able to understand the project, to stay in touch with their team and other members of the project. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link of Richie in my description, which you can use to access the project. Looks to me, if you really want to get rich, or you are a crypto investor looking for a best platform, this is for you. Buy Richie now and earn with Richie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell to get updated by my upcoming and latest video. Once again, thank you so much for watching.